Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a long time since I haven't uploaded any videos, but today here I am. I'm going to take you all to explore IKEA along with me. So I'm very excited for this video. I hope you all are too. So I'm here in the metro station right now. It's in Lal Bagh. So we are going to IKEA today. That's why we have come here. From Lal Bagh, it is a green line metro station. So we'll reach Nagasandra faster. From Lal Bagh, it is 30 minutes to Nagasandra. So we have come here. We are waiting for the metro right now. I think it's gonna come in a minute. So yeah. For the ones who doesn't know what IKEA is a one-stop furniture place where you can shop all kinds of furniture. You can take ideas, tips and inspiration all in one place. Ones who are planning to visit IKEA store in Bangalore, I suggest you all to visit it during the weekdays because weekends it'll be so crowded. Today's Thursday, so you can see there are less people around. Right after we entered to the store, we went to the first floor. So in the first floor, there is a food court and also the concept of living room, bedroom. You can see and take ideas for your home. So keep watching this video till the end. And if you're new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell for the latest updates.
Oh wow, nice candy.
Yeah. Look at this now, this drawer, small drawer. So cute, right? So cute basin. If you're planning to move into a new home or looking to revamp your current one, you can take inspiration from IKEA, where you can find affordable home furnitures. You may not believe, but there is a piece of furniture to every corner of your home. Also, since IKEA's furniture is flat packed, they are quite easy to bring home when you buy from the store. As I have said, IKEA's furnitures are flat packed. IKEA's furniture do not come assembled. They come in pieces and we have to assemble the furniture by ourselves. And here's where the concept of DIY, do it yourself, comes into play. So aesthetic over here, like literally I want to buy each and everything. Only if my house was in Bangalore, I swear I could have bought literally like whatever I could. Look at the colors also. The colors even are so pastel matte. So nice. The color is so nice. Look at this mirror. So nice, so cute mirror. And this is only 2,000. bedroom. Wow.
Done for today.
Show that Komodo. How is it? The bed is also so nice. That one. It's so cute. Okay, after all the window shopping that we have done here, we are so tired now and we are heading towards food court now. Let's try IKEA's food today. Okay, so here it is a self-service system where you have to take all the items whichever you like or you want to eat and then go to the counter, pay the bill and take your seat and have. As you can see, the options for food were quite many, but we choose cheesecake, chicken nuggets, meatballs and a coffee. So we are having cappuccino. Got it now? अझै दिन्छ भनेर पर्खेको के हो सुगर
Coffee.
So this is the cheesecake that we took and meatballs we already had and coffee and he's having... How was the food?
Food was really tasty and I've never seen this type of food till now.
Is it?
Yeah, maybe it's because of
The Swedish.
the food is from Sweden, that's why.
I'm so full. The cheesecake was really big piece, you know. I already had half. It's tasty though. You have it. I already had so much.
My goodness. Food but no
It's not
compromise.
so sweet, it's nice, no?
Yeah.
Why you can have? Don't waste, eat. Slowly, you eat slowly, no. So it was really a big piece, you know. It was really a big, very big piece. So it's very difficult to have. This is only the first floor. We have seen things here. We haven't explored the second floor and the ground floor also, I guess, right?
That's basement.
Okay, basement also we haven't gone. Oh my god, it's so big. Like I don't know from where to start and how to end it. I mean, I think we should have come in the morning itself, right? So guys, whenever you want to come to IKEA, come in the morning itself because it's so big. Like literally, he and me, we were almost lost in between, right?
Yeah.
So we are done eating now. So now we'll be going to second floor because it's already 7:30 now, and they closes this IKEA at 9:30. That's what they have told me. So yeah, let's go and explore second floor now.
Let's go.
And guys, we haven't bought anything. We have just we have roamed around everywhere, and we just took one lamp, like seriously.
So here we can't leave the leftover. We have to clean everything. It's like a foreign country.
So now we have come to the ground floor. Let's see what we get here. So as you can see in this floor, there are many things starting from $2.99, $1.99, and maybe even cheaper items were there, which I didn't see, but I'm sure it must be there. So in this floor you can find all kind of kitchen items that you need for your kitchen, dining, and also frames that were quite reasonable, I think, and also beautiful lights for your home. Everything you could find in this floor. There were this beautiful plant section there where you can find artificial as well as real plants, which were so beautiful. Whatever furniture we want to buy, we can click pictures and come and pick it up in this basement. Okay, so we are done for today. We are done shopping, and I will show you in my next video whatever I have bought from IKEA. So stay tuned for that, and please subscribe to my channel. We'll see you in my next vlog. Bye.